Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see about predecessor and successor. And new topic as round off. Look at the table, children. Number is given 35,46,876. We have to find one less than value and one more than value for the given number. Let me find one more than value first. If you add one more value with the number 35,46,876, one value is increased in one's place, which means 35,46,877. 6 becomes 7 if you add one more value. Consider 1 less than. 1 less than means in one's place one value is reduced, which means 35,46,875. 6 becomes 5 if you subtract one value in one's place. 6 minus 1 is 5. Consider the next number 23,451. Let me do one more than and one less than with the number. If we increase one more than in one's place, we get the answer as 23,452 by adding 1 in one's place, which means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If we reduce one value, which means 1 less than value in one's place, then we will get the answer as 23,450, which means 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 in one's place. Therefore, 23,450. Children, we have used two words in this table, one more than and one less than. For these two words, we have the prescribed term. For one more than, we can say it as successor. For one less than, we can say it as predecessor. The number that is one more than a given number, it is called successor, and the number one less than a given number, it is called predecessor. I repeat once again, one more than means successor, one less than means predecessor. An activity is given in companion book related to the successors and predecessors of the given numbers. You have to complete it as a homework. Look at the problem. Karthik was traveling by cab. At the end of the ride, the amount to be paid to the driver was rupees 296. He paid the driver rupees 300. Why do you think Karthik paid the driver rupees 300? Discuss in the class. We don't need to discuss in the class, children, because you are in home, right? So you have to discuss with your parents. In certain situations where the exact value is not needed, we have to round off the value, either round up or round down the numbers. In activity 3.11, the number 296 has been round up to 300. Why we are rounding up? Because 296 is nearest to 300 other than 290. Because between 290 and 296 there is a difference as 6, but 296 to 300 the difference is only 4. So which is nearest to the given number 296? 290 or 300? 300 is nearest to 296. Let me discuss about number line. Look at the line AB. Here the number is defined from 0 to 10. This is called number line. From 0 to 10, 5 is the middle value, or we can call it as mid number. 5 is the mid number. Why we are saying 5 as the mid number? Before 5 we have 5 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 5 we have mid numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as 5 numbers. So before 5 and after 5 we have 5 numbers as equally. So 5 is a mid number. Can you find between 10 to 20 which is the mid number? Consider from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So totally 5 numbers. After 5 numbers, 15 is the mid number. After 15, how many numbers are there? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 as 5 numbers. So before 15 5 numbers and after 15 5 numbers. So 15 is the mid number. Okay. The mid number and the numbers greater than the given number is called rounded up. From the number line 0 to 10, 5 and after 5 it is rounded to 10, which is called rounded up. Next, rounded down. The numbers less than the mid number is called rounded down, which means the number which is less than 5 in number line 0 to 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers which is less than 5. It is rounded to 0. Then it is called rounded down. Read the examples carefully which is given. These examples are related to rounded up and rounded down. If the digit is greater than or equal to 5, the number is rounded up. If the digit is lesser than 5, the number is rounded down in number line 0 to 10. As same as we have to do for other numbers also. Few sums are given, children. We have to round off the given numbers. Consider the first sum 16,78,123. In 10,000 place 7 is there. 7 is nearest to 10, so we have to round it up. 7 in 10,000's place, but we have to consider together in thousands place 78,000. 78,000 is nearest to 80,000. So we have to write 16,80,000. We no need to consider 123 after rounding off the value. So instead of 123, we have to put 0. Consider second problem 34,54,017. Here we have to round off to the nearest hundreds place. In hundreds place 0 is there. 0 is nearest to 0 only. So after hundreds place we have to put 17 as 0 because 0 is rounded down. So we have to write it as 34,54,000 only. In hundreds place 0 is there, so 0 is nearest to hundreds. We are rounding off to 0. Hope you all understood, children. In this way we have to do the remaining problems as homework. Understand the concept clearly and do the homework, children. In companion book we have the same rounded up and rounded down assignment. You have to complete this as a homework. Thank you, my dear kids.